Welcome to our video on mental fatigue. Mental fatigue is a common problem impacting millions and can impact anyone, regardless of age or gender. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a stay-at-home parent, mental fatigue can affect your ability to perform at your best. In this video, we will help you recognize the signs of mental fatigue and provide practical strategies to help overcome it. But first, what is mental fatigue? Mental fatigue is a type of exhaustion that impacts your mental energy and cognitive abilities. It can be caused by a range of factors, including stress, overworking, and lack of sleep. Mental fatigue can affect anyone, regardless of age or gender, and it can have a significant impact on your daily life. Some of the common symptoms of mental fatigue include 1. Difficulty concentrating. 2. Lack of motivation. 3. Irritability. 4. Headaches. 5. Forgetfulness. 6. Physical exhaustion. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's essential to take steps to combat it. Mental fatigue is a type of burnout that arises from prolonged exposure to stresses or overwork. It can make it difficult to think clearly and perform tasks and can affect anyone. This type of fatigue often leads to a lack of motivation and energy, resulting in emotional and physical exhaustion. Spending too much time in front of a computer, processing paperwork for long hours, working on large projects or multiple small ones all can lead to mental fatigue. It's crucial to prioritize self-care and mental health to prevent and combat mental exhaustion. Some ways to combat mental fatigue include practicing relaxation techniques, spending time with loved ones, and engaging in physical exercise. Causes of mental fatigue. There are many potential causes of mental fatigue. Some of the most common causes include 1. Overworking. 2. Meeting deadlines. 3. Lack of sleep. 4. High-stress work. 5. Medical conditions such as depression or anxiety. It's important to identify the root cause of your mental fatigue so that you can take steps to address it effectively. How to overcome mental fatigue? Fortunately, there are many practical strategies you can use to overcome this fatigue. Some of the most effective techniques include 1. Relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or meditation. 2. Getting in regular exercise. 3. Practicing healthy eating habits. 4. Effective work-life balance. 5. Getting enough sleep. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can improve your mental energy and overcome mental fatigue. If you find that your work is the problem, consider switching jobs or careers to better suit your lifestyle. Thank you for watching our video on the signs of mental fatigue. We hope that you found this information helpful and that you can use it to improve your mental health and overall quality of life. Remember, mental fatigue is a common problem that affects many people at different times in their lives, but it's also something that you can overcome with the right strategies and mindset. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Health is beauty. Thank you for watching.